So today I'm going to fix the infamous F250 door rattle. So 11 through 16, I believe, it might be 10, I can't remember the exact years. The F250 is on its own chassis. So these parts are only for F250, 350, 450, whatever. But what'll happen is this seal goes bad on the bottom of the door. And when that seal goes bad, you'll start getting dirt and grime into the cab itself, and the door will start rattling. So replacing that seal will get rid of the rattle. I'll use you to replace these. Sometimes you can even pull them off, but I'm just gonna, yeah, this one here is shot. So now I need to go get a pair of pliers to get that off. They're completely rotten. Normally you can put these in and they'll come out. But as you can see, so I'll have to go get a pair of pliers. Using some speed shine to clean it off while the thing's off. I'll put the part number in the description, but simply you just put these clips back into the hole where the other one came out of. It's solved. The infamous door rattle on the 250 solved just with the new strip there.